Zooming with science. Make your own balloon car. Did you know? You can make a cool car that runs on air right at home. Here's how. First, gather your materials. You'll need some cardboard, straws, bottle caps, tape, and a balloon. Second, build your car. Cut out a small rectangle from the cardboard to make the body of your car. Attach the bottle caps to the bottom corners of the cardboard to make wheels. Then, tape the straws onto the sides of the car to make axles for the wheels. Third, add the balloon. Tape the opening of the balloon onto the back of the car. Make sure it's sealed tight so no air can escape. Fourth, ready, set, go. Inflate the balloon by blowing air into it, then pinch the opening shut. Place your car on a smooth surface, and when you're ready, let go of the balloon. Watch as the air rushes out of the balloon, propelling your car forward. This simple experiment teaches us about the power of air and how it can be used to make things move. So, grab your materials and get ready to race with your homemade balloon-powered car.